Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna recreate a fall look that I found off of Pinterest. So I'm going to show you guys what we're doing today. This is what we are doing today. Super easy and super pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So first I am taking the color Sand into my crease, and we're just going to use this as our transition shade. This brush is by BH Cosmetics, and I like to use the dabbing motions before I blend anything out. I just like to dab this on first, then I worry about blending. Pack this all in our crease. This is just like a light orangey beige color, just so we can use this as a transition shade. I said before, dab it on there. I did do this look before. I did it yesterday and the day before. The first day when I did this look, I didn't like it how it turned out. I really liked it on how it turned out yesterday. So this is my third time doing this look. I did film it the first time, but I did not like it. So yeah. There's the tea on that. I know my skin is breaking out bad. Please excuse it. It's probably because of my monthly, and also because of all the junk that I ate on vacation. So yeah, go in a couple of times and just also bring it out into our outer V and make a little triangle shape, just so we can have it look like this one over here. Now we're gonna go into the color, go into Terra Cotta, and we're gonna put this in our crease as well. I'm using a smaller brush. This is to define our crease and just to deepen it up just a little bit. This brush, I believe, is an Urban Decay brush. I don't really remember because this doesn't have a name on it anymore. So any brush that looks like this one will do. Just like this one. The palette I am using is by Violet Voss, but you can use any eyeshadow palettes that you have in your collection with these colors. I know not everybody will have this palette, but this is what I have for right now to match the eye look. I am taking a flat eyeshadow brush, looks just like this one, and this is by BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna take the color Cinnamon and we're gonna put that all over our lid. So we're gonna take it into our crease but not cover the orange that we just put down, but we're just gonna put it to where it meets up with the orange. I know I'm at a weird angle, but I do have a tripod coming into the mail. I did order one off of Amazon, so it'll be a little taller. Right now I'm just using what I got. I do have a tripod, but it's not the one that can go on my vanity. That one was just a little too tall. I use that one for when I do like mukbangs and stuff on my food channel, which I haven't done one in a minute. So we're just lightly packing this on. There is a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow palette, so with any eyeshadow palette that has a lot of fallout, the eyeshadow that falls onto your skin, I recommend you do your eyeshadow first before your face, just because it's a lot easier to clean up when you do the eyeshadow first. And now we're just gonna make a little triangle. I know this eye looks a tad different than my left one, just because this one's a little bit, my lid is a little smaller on this eye than this one. I have more space on my left. Alright, you should have something like this. I am going to do my eyelashes off camera. I'm going to show you guys the eyelashes that I'm using. This is my favorite style, one of my favorite styles by Kiss. This is in the style Ruffle. It's somewhat natural and wispy, but not too natural. I don't really like natural eyelashes. I'm more of a big puffy kind of eyelash kind of girl. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes off camera and I'll be right back.